Hello bestie, welcome if it's your first time and welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video after a while. I know, but I'm back with some good news. First, I will walk you through the money that I was able to earn, show you the money I received and the money that I withdrew, and then I'll take you through this website that I'll be revealing along this video, and you'll be able to see the jobs that I was able to do, how much money I was able to earn, and I'll be taking you through instructions of how to earn on this app. Thank you for always supporting me, so let's jump in the video. Let me just show you the evidence of my earning so that bestie, you know I'm not here to waste your time. So like you can see, on 13th of October this year, I was able to receive 13.74 euros from this website that I'll be talking about. And you can see on 26th, which is today, when I'm recording this video, of course, I was able to now convert this currency into USD because that's the only way I can be able to withdraw it from my PayPal account. And you can see that I was able to withdraw that amount. Okay, so whatever I'm talking about this video is something on this video is something that I know, it's something that I have an experience of, bestie, so stick with it and I will tell you about what I was able to do to earn this money, what the jobs are like on this website, what you need to do to get this money. Okay, so let's get to it. To get on the website or on their app, you will be able to see the assigned jobs, that is the jobs that you have picked. You'll be able to see the onboarding jobs that pay you 0.01 euros for you just to sort of learn how to navigate and how to handle the jobs on this app as well. You will see the available jobs whereby you can be able to pick a job. For example, I can pick this job and accept it. Okay, the good thing about the jobs on this app is that they give you full instructions of what you're required to do for you to earn. Is as simple as that. That's how I was able to earn my money. So you'll be able to follow all these instructions, follow them to the T, ensure that you're doing everything that you've been told to do, because that's the only way you'll be able to get your money. Okay, now when you scroll down, understand the instructions, you can say got it, and then you can check, of course, understood, and then you can move to next. Okay, but because I won't be doing this job, let me just save it and I will come back to do that job later. Now you see, after saving it, it has moved. Sorry, let me just refresh this. So after saving it, it has moved to my assigned job. So you can see from my assigned jobs, I have this job here, and then I have this photo capturing. It's as simple as that. The instructions are there. You don't need to figure out anything for yourself. You just need to follow the instructions that have been stipulated under the jobs that you want to take. So you can see the general, then we have these are the jobs. Of course, I can accept that as well. And what you'll see is that for every job that you pick, there are instructions. What do you need to do? How do you need to do it? That is the point. Okay, so I will take you now to my account so that you're able to see what I was able to do, how much I was able to earn. Okay, now when you come here on your profile, you can see the account balance. As of now, after withdrawing the money that I withdrew, so far I have now €1 in my account and it's already payable, but I need to get to a threshold. So let's talk about the threshold. Okay, so when you come to the menu and you go to payment details, so you can see that for me, I have chosen to be paid through PayPal, and I've been able to verify my account because I already have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, ensure that you get that set up first before you come on this app or this website that I'll be disclosing in a few. Just follow along. So you can see my PayPal account is very. Now if you want to change the payment method, you can always go with the e-wallet of this company, if I can call them, on this website. And you can see for PayPal, they charge you a 2% fee So it's a 2% fee on the 10 euros. So the payment threshold on this app or this website is 10 euros. How easy is it, bestie, to earn 10 euros? If you do your job right, you should be able to earn this money even weekly, you understand? But some payments go over a month as you're waiting for your money, so you can get to your threshold, but that money is not free for you to receive it yet. I'll be explaining that in the next part of this video. So you can see we have two methods of payment. We have the e-wallet and then we have the PayPal. If you choose the PayPal, you'll be charged 2%. If you choose the e-wallet, there are no charges. However, when you're transferring that money to your bank account, there could be the bank charges because of exchange of different currencies. So that's one thing you need to take note of. Then we have something that they just introduced the other day, that is the AirTM wallet, which of course the threshold stays the same. It's 10 euros. For this one, they charge you a fee of 1%. A flat 1% fee will be deducted from your AirTM payouts to cover transfer costs. This will be clearly shown on your invoice. Now let's go to my invoice and see what they're talking about. Okay, now if you come to your invoices, you'll be able to see that I got my invoice on 13th of October this year, of course. No, sorry, it's the 8th of October. 13th is when I was paid. So I was given an invoice of my payment. So you can see the 13.74 that we saw on my PayPal account. Of course, it's shown there. So you can be able to see the jobs. So they give you a full statement of the jobs that you did, when you did them, and how much you were paid. Okay, so you can see the net amount. It's written there, and then you can see the jobs that I did, when I did, or when they were paid, and the quantities as well. So you can see I did one job for every category. So from the invoice, let's go back now to my account history. Let's go see how many jobs have I been able to do. So you can see from the start, I did my first job in 21st of June. The other jobs I did that were paid later, so you can see those jobs have started to be paid here. You can see 1.50 euros, you can see 0.50 euros, you can see 0.16, you can see 1.5 there, and then you can see now there's this job that I got that helped me bump up my payment, that was paying 5.43 euros. Now that job, I did the first one and it was rejected, and then I was given an opportunity to do it again. So every time it's green, it shows that it's pending review. Every time it's red, it means that there is a correction that you need to do, that they have given you permission to go back and do it. So you can see it was a back and forth with them until I did it for the last time and it was approved. So you can see the last 5.43 is in green and it stays that way. Okay, and then you can continue to see other 1.0 euros that I earned. There is 1.50, 0.05, there is 1.00 euros. Now once I got to my threshold and beyond, you can see I was charged at 2% because of course I chose PayPal as my payment method, and you can see they've been able to deduct 0.28 euros. I mean 0.28 out of 10 euros. Like, I'm okay with that, you understand? So that was deducted on 8th of the October, where now my money was I got a ticket for my payment. Okay, now these jobs are as easy as I'm talking about them. There's nothing too complicated. Everything is under the instructions, and if you don't understand a job, all you have to do is, let me just show you an example with this. All you have to do is click the 3 dots up there and go to help. Once you go to help, you're able to either talk to the click worker support team and get to understand, or have them sort out your issue, or just read more on how to handle that job. It is as easy as that. So like I said, the app that I'm talking about is Click Worker. I will be putting a link under this video so that you're able to click on it, come sign up and get your money. Come do these jobs. They are so easy to do. And the good thing is, if you pick a job and after submitting it there is an issue, they always give you a chance to rectify the mistake that you did, and then you're able to go back and submit your job again and earn that money. Okay, so thank you for watching this. I hope that you get to do these jobs and earn this money. Now, I don't put out videos as many times as I would like to, because bestie, as you can see, I have to get on an app or on a website, do the jobs myself, earn the money, and ensure that I have received the money, so that I'm able to come here and pitch the app to you so that you can see it concrete. I know what I'm talking about. I have been paid and it is true. Okay, like you have seen, I received my money. Go ahead and do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope the information that you got from this video was something that is helpful. You have seen that I've been able to earn, and you can earn as well. So do so, subscribe to the channel, of course, if you're yet to, but do go register yourself on this app or on their website. Do these jobs and get that money. I will always come with good news, and every time I have something to make a video, I'll be sure to do that. But as you can see, I'm not able to do many videos as much as I can, because I need to vet the video. I need to vet the apps, I need to vet the websites and the money myself, and then come talk to you about something that I know. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video.